It is time. I need that Bruce Buffer voice. Ladies and gentlemen, it is time. I'm just so excited right now. It's Sunday. We're gonna get a ton of snow today. Like I said on Friday, it actually turned out to be more snow. We might get up to 20 centimeters. We're taking the backhoe with the freshly painted pink color on it. I'm waiting to get the names. They are being printed. Do not worry, your names will be going on it. We have whips coming. But this snow just came on super quick. We got to take this down to the storage, and then I'm taking this home because it's probably going to be maintenance through the night. All right, let's go. I don't know if you could hear me when I said that, but it's literally, we just came back out here because we had to do something super important for Christmas time, which I'll show you. But I'm also fueling up everything right now because if machines need fuel or I need fuel because my truck will be running all night, and we might as well make everything full. But main thing is it's starting to snow. Did you find pine cones?
Yeah.
So we got to get pine cones and greenery so that we can make Christmas baskets for the house. Yep. Riveting stuff we're doing here. I'm out of fuel. We're here at the storage. Gonna get some salt, and then we're gonna throw a couple bags in back here and use this salter for the first time. I always just want to make sure that my main entrance is clean, so we're gonna do that. As you can see here, it did go, but something's not working right. Something is getting jammed, and I'm not sure what it is. If I don't have this down enough, maybe. So that's on, and I have it set right now to the lowest setting. I don't know why it's not working. It's weird, it's like it's jammed. Wasn't even recording. No. Oh, Jill.
I thought you handed it to me and it was recording.
We just recorded something. There's no more salt left. We're all good. We're gonna wait for the storm. We'll use this again. I think we got it now. It is so mild, and the snow is so heavy. All right, we made it here. First snowing event of 2020/2021 season. We're gonna lock this gate for the first time this year. Man, these hats are awesome because they actually, I can film and it holds it bright and I don't have to hold anything. We're gonna be using the truck as well as the backhoe. We got maybe about 15 cents on the ground. We did get quite a bit of snow, but it's getting super heavy and we have to take it off right now. So I'm gonna start by opening things up with the truck. First time plowing with it, let's see how it goes. All right, I did all this and I just forgot we got to start the backhoe for Andrew, so let's go do that. All right, backhoe's fired up. And it switched from freezing rain to snow now. It's about 4:30 in the morning, and that's what we're dealing with. and we're having fun. We're having fun.
Oh, it is wet.
Well, update on the storm. All the lads are in to work here now this morning. We are going ahead with our projects today. Just a little bit of snow won't stop us. It's about 7:18 in the morning now. We got the yard cleaned out. I'm gonna go back to the storage now. Hey, well, we're bombing around here now in the backhoe. I posted on Instagram this morning about the truck and the plow, and a lot of people were asking what I thought about it. So I might as well tell you guys my thoughts without boring everybody, but honestly it did really good. The only issue that I have is it's probably just like a user error. I'm not the best at it, that's all. I'm gonna get better at it, hopefully. But so far I have no complaints. It wasn't like folding over on me, and this was really wet, heavy snow. So super happy with the plow so far. We're just working along here, getting all these doors done. Joe's young lad, shout out Daniel. I know that it's not the most fun thing to do to shovel 200 doors, but we've all done it, we've all been there, and I really, really appreciate him coming in and helping. And he's getting paid well to do it, so. Change things around real quick. We're at a job site where Corey and Andrew are today. Al and Jesse are on another septic down at another job site that we have on the go. And we're gonna see if they need some fuel here. I have my truck with some fuel. He has the skid steer and the 308 here. And seeing as I'm driving that truck, I don't want them to go anywhere without fuel. So we're gonna check if they need fuel.
There's Andrew. He doesn't know that I see him on his phone. Let's scare the shit out of him. Yeah, we're gonna scare the shit out of Andrew.
Oh, fuck! Why'd you have to wreck it? I thought I was gonna get him so good. I'm like sneaking up. I'm like, we're gonna get him real good. I'm like, wow. He's like, I was just checking to see if you guys need fuel.
Skid steer's got a quarter tank. So I don't know what the plan is, but it's good for gear.
No, I know, but
let's fuel it up.
Yeah. Today's Tuesday, the day you guys are watching this on, and we got a little more salter action for you. The boys are down on a job, and they sent out a message this morning saying, don't know if the trucks will be able to get down here. The road hasn't been maintained by the city yet. So I'm gonna go do the city's job, and I'm gonna go throw some salt down on this road and plow out some snow. So let's head down there and do that so we can keep rolling. This is the job site that the lads are on. You guys saw us dig this probably about 3 months ago. Beautiful, beautiful house. I love that. I love the white and the black. New tanks in. This is where the bed's going. They got material coming in, dumping in here, and they're getting everything all wrapped up. They got the 170 here, and we actually have the job just one over from here. So they'll be doing skid steer and 308. We'll be moving here. Beautiful. This is where we salted. The boys were having a hard time coming up and down this hill and coming up the hill. Hopefully we helped a bit. I think that'll work pretty well. Happy with the little salter on this. It's perfect, holds 4 or 5 bags. Beautiful. But that's a wrap on this video. There is some more snow coming tonight, so make sure you guys just subscribe for all that stuff. Other than that, take care, have an awesome rest of the day, and we'll catch you on the next one. But of course, I didn't forget about you guys, the true patriots of the channel that watch the entire videos to the very end, which is right now. And if you are one of those true patriots, I want you guys to comment down below, plow it out. But why plow it out? Well, we got all that snow plowed out. Oh, it was a wet, messy storm, but we got it all done, and I had an awesome time for the first storm of 2020. So if you guys watch the entire video to the very end, comment down below, plow it out. I appreciate you guys. We'll catch you on the next one. Take care.